Okay, now that we've thoroughly coated the chicken in the hot sauce, we're going to finish with the final spices. We're going to take 1 tablespoon of salt, and again, I'm going to do a half a tablespoon on this side. And then we're going to flip the chicken over and put the rest on this side. We're also going to be getting some allspice, and if you can, try and get the ground allspice because that is much easier to deal with than the whole peppercorns. We're going to put a half a teaspoon on here, and then the same on the other side. And then we're going to finish it off with ground cinnamon. And we're going to put the same amount on that we did with the allspice, half a teaspoon per side. We're going to spread so that's round, and then we're going to transfer onto our baking sheet, and we're going to put it in the oven and cook it for about 15 minutes.